Welcome to your 2025 Travel Glow Up. Today we're ditching the recycled roll your socks tips and giving you 25 travel hacks that actually work this year. Think of it as your ultimate vacation playbook with fewer eye rolls and more "wow, that saved me $200" moments. Use Google Flights date grid to spot cheaper days. Often just shifting 24 to 48 hours saves big. Book on off-peak days, Tuesday or Wednesday mornings for flights, Sunday for hotels. Track fares with alerts. Let the deals come to you while you binge Netflix. Compression cubes. Turn your suitcase into a game of Tetris minus the panic. Wear your bulkiest clothes on the plane? Hello, free sweater space. Pack a fold-flat tote for souvenirs or oops, I bought too much moments. TSA PreCheck or global entry is worth it if you fly more than twice a year. Bring an empty water bottle, refill after security, and skip expensive airport water. Portable charger, because finding a free outlet is like winning the lottery. eSIMs, download before you go, skip the SIM card hunt. Offline maps, save routes in Google Maps for zero-signal areas. Universal adapter with USB ports, one block to rule them all. Airline seat maps, use Seat Guru or similar to avoid the dreaded middle back by the toilet seat. Pack a mini comfort kit, eye mask, neck pillow, socks, snacks. Noise-canceling earbuds, lifesaver for crying baby row. Grocery store picnics, cheaper, more local, and Instagram-worthy. Ask locals for non-tourist food spots, magic happens here. BYO reusable utensils, great for impromptu street food feasts. Book direct and politely ask for upgrades, kindness pays. Late checkout requests, timing it at check-in boosts your odds. Pack a travel candle, turns any room into a spa and hides odd smells. Sign-up bonuses. One good travel card can fund your next trip. Day pass lounges, often under $40, with food, Wi-Fi, and peace. Digital copies of documents, store in your email or drive for emergencies. Small luggage locks. Keep curious hands out of your stuff. There you go, 25 travel hacks for 2025 that'll make your trip smoother, cheaper, and way less stressful. Which one's your favorite? Drop it in the comments, hit like, and subscribe for more tips and destination guides. Safe travels!